So after going behind early, it was obviously a good performance all round and able to get the win in the end.
Yeah, I thought we started the game really slow. Maybe playing a tough game on Thursday night maybe didn't help, but we started the game slow. They got a penalty, which I don't think really was. We couldn't really get into the game, but Shosh, Skip and myself had a good chat with the lads at half time. We changed and tweaked a few things tactically, and I thought we were more on the front foot second half. We got in their faces, and I actually thought we dominated play as well. We created quite a few chances. So yeah, it's good. I spoke to the lads at half time and said it's about winning games of football and getting used to winning games of football, because that builds momentum, and that hopefully we'll take that into the season starting to build for us.
Yeah, you just mentioned the second half, and considering there was a game 48 hours ago, the energy levels also looked really good in the second period.
Yeah, I think we're a really fit team. We've been in 6-7 weeks now, but it's not just what we do in training. The lads look after themselves away from training, going to the gym, we set them runs, which we look to carry out through the week. And we're a fit young team as well. Actually, as Ed myself, Tom, Ryan maybe getting on a little bit, but the young lads come in and they step it up as well. And I thought the lads that come on today really changed the game for us. Actually, their energy, their enthusiasm, probably drove us over the line.
And on a personal note, you seem to be building up a good relationship in the middle with Ryan Edwards.
Yeah. I've known Ryan a long time, played against him, had some tough games against him, but I've really enjoyed playing alongside him in there. We're mates away from the pitch as well, so I think that always helps. And I think throughout the team, it's not just me and Ryan. I think we've got a good sort of group cohesion really. We all get along, we all go for a beer together. Had a good night a couple of weeks ago, so you need that. A title-winning team needs a good team spirit. I think we're starting to build that certainly.
And you've also got a lot of young players in the team, so do you feel an extra responsibility to lead by example, especially on the pitch?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think probably I feel more pressure in performing for them young lads, especially because I think if you go through the team today, maybe 10 of them I've coached in the academy as we come through it, under 16s and even younger. So, I hope that I set the stall and they look to follow. So, we've got some great lads with unbelievable technical ability, and it's about them now realising their potential, because they're going to be needed this year. They're going to need to play. They're going to need to step up. And again, I've spoke to individuals about having that intensity week in, week out, and having that drive to win. And hopefully they see the older lads, more experienced lads doing that, and they'll pick that up along the way.
How would you summarise pre-season on a personal note and also from a team perspective?
Yeah, it's been a long one really, because we've not played competitive football for so long. You've been counting down the weeks, counting down the days really till next week. I think we've been good. We've had some up and down performances, but overall it's about getting the fitness in, and I think really our performance second half today is where we want to be. We hit the ground running now, and it's about making sure that we're in the right place mentally and physically going into that first game next week against Guildford in the Cup.